What up, everybody? We're full on another break of 2025 Prizm Rolling Stones 5-box Hobby Mega Random Serial number 2. Let's roll the dice. 3. We go 3 times here. 1, 2, 3. Vintage Randy, vintage down to vintage. A Q in the 9. K-Fed in the 5. Three dice, 3 random. Yo. Come on. Random cereal, Q. Just a random cereal. I had to pick between. There was lots of options, but on my flight back the other night from Fanatics, I looked at Remember the Titans and really thought, man, do I want to fall asleep to Remember the Titans? There's only megas, Sean. There's only megas. And I chose Saving Private Ryan and Space Jam on the plane. Cody Rhodes. You're saying Saving Private Ryan would be 20-something? Wait, this stuff's loaded. What is happening? Wait, this is a thickie too. What's this? This pack had a shit ton of base cards in it. Yep, this one's light. Wow. Wow. This stuff is loaded. How can I do a guess on a base set card? How can we do that? Because we can't just say, like, guess the name, right? Do we guess the card? Like, the... You'd have to pull up the checklist. How do we do a guess on, like, a base set card? Can't do that. We can't just say Jagger, Watts, Woods, Richards. Let's just go. Confirmed on Color Blast, manga, gold vinyl. Confirmed on all three of those. This stuff is loaded. Ooh, I don't even know. Okay, I do know what color. I do know what color. There's the Portugal Licks. Mick Jagger, number 25, 8 of 99. Ken Fickle. Orange Wave, 4 spot, PB Rux. Oh, another one of those. Charlie Watts, Orange Wave, 3 spot, vintage. Hyde Park Live. Charlie Watts, 3 spot, vintage. Another one of these, Switzerland, tie-dye. International Licks, 49 of 49, Akiyu. Brown would say Akiyu. Akiyu. I say Akiyu. Tie-dye International Licks. Mick Jagger, 6 spot, TJK. I hear some music, and it almost sounds like the beginning of House of Cards, like the beginning music of House of Cards. I actually really enjoyed House of Cards. Is that controversial to say? I shouldn't be. Should be kosher. My favorite part about this product is they say you're going to hit 4 numbered cards. And you hit 6. Ooh, another gold vinyl. This is not the gold vinyl I saw. Yeah, out of 5, vintage. So 2 gold vinyls. December's Children. 2 spot, Randy M. 2 spot, Randy M. 2 gold vinyls. I'm fairly positive 2 gold vinyls. Now, 2 of 5. Gold vinyl. It's like football. Gold vinyl in football is to 5. Mick Jagger. 10 spot, 0 spot, vintage. Red black. Disco. 4 spot. PB Rux. Ronnie Wood, yellow. 6 spot, TJK. Told you there was 2. Told you there was 2. That might be base set too. Might be base set too. Imagine Mick Jagger number 1. Mick Jagger number 7, 3 spot, vintage. Orange Wave, Czech Republic, 1 spot, vintage. Charlie Watts. Charlie Watts. Randy M, 2 of 5. Wow. Both 2 of 5. That's craziness. That's craziness. I love a gold vinyl. I love a gold vinyl. Doesn't even matter what product. Whether it's a $10 card or a $20,000 card, I love gold vinyl. Can't believe I missed that gold vinyl when I was opening. Keith Richards, red black, 6 spot, TJK, 6. Oh, this was the pack with a bunch. Look. Look at all those die cuts. Look at all those base die cuts. Red Mojo, Voodoo Launch, 6 spot, TJK. I want to paint it black. I see mine go by in their fancy clothes. Ronnie Wood, 0 spot, vintage. All right, what do we have here first? I believe this is a Color Blast. Or is this the manga? I can't remember what I have here. Ronnie Wood, 6 spot, again. Color Blast. Vertical? How about Mick Jagger on a Color Blast? This is randomed. Every spot in the cereal has a chance at this. I did this because I was not sure how many Color Blasts or mangas are in the product. Very cool. Very cool. And I love how they did this design when they added that for basketball for 23-24. I love that. But wait, there's more. Top spot gets this. Top spots gets Mick Jagger. Tie-dye. 38 of 49. Ken Fickle, 38 on the tie-dye. Let me case and sleeve. 2 more boxes to go. 2 more boxes to go. No, it gets random. Motown. It's in the description. It's literally in the title. Plus, there's no official checklist, you know? If there was an actual checklist and there was 10 color blasts, it'd be a different story. My guess is there's like 5 color blasts. There's the full band and the 4 members. All right, let's continue. Let's continue. I agree. I agree, Bearded. International Licks of Spain. Ronnie Wood yellow scope. I do like a yellow scope. Why can't we get that in a different sport? TJK. Six spot. Keith Richards, number 20, 9 spot. Akiyu. Keith Richards, red black. 6 spot again. TJK. It's not about the 6 spot, it's just about collation, to be honest with you. Is this another one? This is the one. Manga. Oh, the cover picture. The cover picture of Keith Richards. Two mangas and a color blast. God, mangas are disgusting. God, mangas are nice. Those are in the random. Mick Jagger, Blue Ice. 62 spot. Randy. Behind the scenes. 2 spot, Randy. India International. Red black. 7 spot, Edrom. Orange Wave, Germany International Licks. I thought I saw one more something. Tie-dye. Keith, 6 spot, TJK. One spot, vintage. What a Bobby Stone. 2 spot, Randy. Yellow, George Charlie Watts, 7 spot, Edrom. What's he yelling? I yell Bobby so. Yeah, he also yells that there's no money. I still have a chance, K-Fed. K-Fed. Let me sleeve up. Then we're going to do the random. Top 2 get... Top 2 get K-Sits. Bobby soon. V-Friends is almost off. There's like 10 spots left. Oh, there's another one in the store. Plus, I don't call anybody. Especially on Rolling Stones. V-Friends is finally going to get off today, I think. I believe that is accurate. All right, recap. We'll do the randoms. Top 2. I'm going to do top 2. Top 2. I'm going to do top 2. Get that. Recap the lower numbers here. I've already called all these out. Yellow Wave, 6 spot. Most of them go to 6 or 1 anyway, I feel like. 7 spot. 0 spot, 6 spot, 8 spot, 6 spot, 6 spot, 6 spot, 2 spot, blue ice, tie-dye pieces, 2 spot, Randy, 8 spot, Ken Fickle, Licks, Switzerland, 9 spot, Akiyu. Charlie Watts and Get Off My Cloud. Randy M with hits 2 gold vinyls. Then we have a random where this card goes to spot 2. This card goes to spot number 1. Good luck on those. Good luck on those. Cool cards. Cool cards. Dice roll. 9 times. Top 2. Mick Jagger goes 1. Keith Richards 2. Good luck. 2. 9 on the dice. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 9th and final. Vintage and Randy. Vintage and Randy. Vintage and Randy. Vintage and Randy. That was 2025 Prizm Rolling Stones 5 box Mega Random Series number 2. Thank you.